Hey guys, this is how I make my onion juice to prevent dandruff, itching scalp, or hair breakage and excessive shedding. I use this as a pre-poo method, and I'm going to show you guys how I make use of this. So the first thing I did was to chop up a very big onion and just add little water to blend in. I used my blender. So if you have a juicer, you can make use of a juicer if you don't have issues with onion smell or the taste. After blending it properly, then I'll go ahead to sieve this with a cloth. So if you have a cheesecloth or you have this wig net, you can decide to make use of that to sieve properly. While sieving it, there were some particles and some stuff in the blender that I had to like add very tiny water to like make sure the rest come out very well. I added excessive water mistakenly, so do not make that mistake. You want more of the juice than the water. So here we have the onion juice, and from here I'm just going to transfer it into my jar, and that's what I'm going to use to apply on my hair. So here you can decide to add a bit of tea tree oil if you have tea tree oil. If you also have peppermint oil or neem oil, you want to add just very tiny drops of this oil in the juice. You don't want to put too much so that it does not irritate your scalp. You just want very little. So this is the shaft from the onion juice, and we're going to throw this away. We don't want this in our hair so that we don't make life too difficult for ourselves. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead to turn this in my oil applicator bottle. This bottle is just super efficient and just so nice for different in hot oil treatment, oil application, pre-pooling. If you're using flaxseed or okra gel, like this bottle is just it. So this is what I'm going to use to apply to my hair. I'm going to apply this on my scalp. I'm going to apply it also on my hair strands, and then I'm also going to let it sit for a few minutes and let it do its work. So I'm going to attach a video here where I'm going to show you guys how I made use of this oil treatment. And after this video, you're going to be directed to the complete video of my wash day where I made use of other products after this, so that can give you insight on how to continue your wash day after using your the onion juice on your hair. If you stayed to this point, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you need me to make any other video about any other thing at all. So if you're someone who is not very comfortable with onion juice, then this might not be a very good option for you. But at the very beginning, I wasn't when I started my natural hair journey, but along the line, I got very used to it, and now I'm very comfortable with onion smell on my head. It does not irritate me or anything. So no, I'm not rubbing that on my face. That's just what I'm trying to rinse my face. But anyways, so basically what I did was to apply the juice to my scalp first, massage that in, apply it to my hair strands. I made sure every strand was coated. My hair is currently on twist. Your hair doesn't necessarily have to be on twist. It could be like when you just combed it out. Just make sure you're able to apply like you are applying, you're spraying your hairspray or your water on your scalp and on your hair. Then after that, I like to cover for a few minutes. I stay for like 20 minutes at time, 15 minutes, and then I'm good to go. That's that for that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was very helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye.